Assalamualaikum students. Today we will do exercise 2.11 of chapter number 2 tenses revision. So come to the page number 34, write CW and date at exercise 2.11. Translate into English, then convert into past and future tense. Sentence number 1. क्या बारिश शाम से होती रही है? We know that ती रही है is the recognition of present perfect continuous tense and it is interrogative because it is asking क्या होती रही है means we have to answer yes or no. So it is yes no interrogative of present perfect continuous tense. So बारिश होना is verb and शाम से is a time reference. Now for translating this sentence, first see the structure of present perfect continuous tense. So the structure of present perfect continuous tense in interrogative is, we know that in interrogative we first have helping verbs that are has or have, then subject, then another helping verb been, then verb ing form, object, and then time reference if there is any. We know that we have another type of interrogative, that is WH interrogative, and the structure is WH word plus helping verb has or have, subject, been, verb ing form, object, and time reference. So let's translate the sentence. The given sentence is yes no interrogative. So in yes no interrogative we start with the helping verb, and for weather condition we use it as a subject. So our subject is it. With it we use helping verb has. So helping verb comes first, has, it, another helping verb been, verb ing form is raining, sham se, since evening. Evening is the starting point, so we use preposition since with evening. Okay, these all are interrogative sentences, so must put question mark at the end of each sentence. Now we know that we have to translate this sentence into past and future of the same tense. So let's see the structure. The structure of past perfect continuous tense in interrogative is first helping verb, that is had, then subject, been, verb ing form, object, and time reference. If the sentence is WH interrogative, so we use WH word at the start, then the whole structure of interrogative. In future perfect continuous tense, just there is a difference of helping verb. Helping verbs are will, have, been. So first helping verb will comes before subject, will, subject, other helping verbs have been, verb ing form, object, and time reference. In WH interrogative, first WH word, then the whole structure of interrogative sentence. Let's change this sentence into past and future. We know that we just have to change the helping verb. The whole sentence remains the same. Sentence will be had it been raining since evening. In future helping verbs are will, have, been. So first helping verb comes at the start. Sentence will be will it have been raining since evening. सेंटेंस नंबर 2. क्या हुजूम दोपहर से नारे लगाता रहा है? ता रहा है इज ऑल्सो द रिकग्निशन ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. नारे सब्जेक्ट है एंड लगाता, नारे लगाता इज़ वर्ब. नारे को कहते हैं स्लोगन्स एंड दोपहर से इज़ टाइम रेफरेंस. Is also yes no interrogative, so we will start this sentence with the helping verb. Our subject is crowd. Crowd is basically collective noun, so with collective noun we use helping verb has. So has comes at the start. Has the crowd been, verb ing form, raising. नारे लगाना is raising slogans. Raising slogans since दोपहर से, since noon. Now change this sentence into past. We just need to change the helping verb. Sentence will be had the crowd been raising slogans since noon. In future helping verbs are will, have, been. So will comes at the start. Sentence will be will the crowd have been raising slogans since noon.